Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to get your ERC20 address on Trust Wallet. First, you'll want to open the Trust Wallet application on your smartphone or tablet. Make sure you are logged into your account. This initial step is crucial for accessing your digital assets. It's a quick and simple process, taking less than 1 minute to complete. Once the app is open, we can move on to finding your specific token. Next, from your main wallet screen, you need to select the specific ERC20 token for which you want to find the address. For example, if you're looking for an address to receive a standard ERC20 token, your Ethereum address will typically be the correct one. Tap on the token, like Ethereum, from your list of assets. This action will take you to the token's dedicated page, showing its balance and transaction history. Once you are on the token's page, you will see options like Send and Receive. Tap on the Receive button. This will display your unique receiving address, often accompanied by a QR code. This address is a long string of alphanumeric characters. To ensure accuracy, simply tap the Copy button. This action will place the entire address onto your device's clipboard, ready for you to paste it wherever needed. It is extremely important to always double-check the address you have copied before sharing it or using it for a transaction. A single incorrect character can lead to lost funds. Remember, your Ethereum address is your universal receiving address for all ERC20 tokens on the Ethereum network. Finally, never, under any circumstances, share your private key or recovery phrase with anyone. Keep your assets secure.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.